उस era के आपके material. I think that was how many 7 years ago maybe.
हाँ, that was 7 years ago. 5 साल पहले ऑर्डर किया.
बुड़बुड़ कितना बुड़बुड़ कान में डालना बुड़बुड़ वो वाला भी था आपका बाइकर्स वाला. You didn't get any hate for the bikers bit?
So मेरा कोई भी वीडियो पे आज तक कभी हेट आया नहीं है. मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक आध जन हंसना था क्या, ये सब सभी की वीडियो पे आता है. But that's about it. मेरे हेट आया नहीं कभी.
You also I think
ये भी ना चली भी नहीं ना उतनी.
नहीं that video really worked यार. वो आपकी तो चली थी ना.
नहीं तो ऐसे चली थी, but हाँ actually I should say नहीं चली, जैसे मिलियन में तो है.
Yeah.
2-3 मिलियन तो है.
Well, I was definitely inspired by that video. Like
Nice, man.
it was really good. I think you opened with that joke, no? In that one, ki, guys, I'm vegetarian. You guys looking at me, you clearly know there's enough to eat.
Yeah, like I'm proof that food exists.
Food exists for us also. Yo, Mechanical Pandey कहाँ बैठे हो भाई? पान शॉप पे आगे.
Yes भाई, नया वेंचर है मेरा.
Just give me a second.
Guys,
Pandey Pan Shop.
Give me a second.
कैसे हो भाई? How are you?
I'm good Pandey.
Good,
What's up? ये क्या है? क्या है? ये सच में आपने खोला है कुछ?
हाँ भाई ऐसे ही अभी दुकान खोल जाता हूँ, बैठ जाता हूँ मैं इस पे. Like I can actually go, you know, green screen का effect है ये. Like I can actually go and sit there ऐसे. मैं लोगों से पैसे मांगता हूँ भाई. लोग पान बनाने के लिए सुपर चैट देते हैं फिर मेरे को.
पैरों में भी ग्रीन डाल देगा तेरे पैर भी हट जाएंगे तो लगेगा प्रॉपर बैठा हुआ है इसमें.
Hashtag non-paid sponsorship.
Yo Anish Nag, what's up?
Yo भाई, hello.
Yo Raghav Mandava, the oldest comic on this panel.
Hello. Oldest. I'm willing to bet oldest person also. 37.
Yeah, I think. Raghav Mandava, 14 years into Indian comedy scene.
Yes. Hello. I'm waiting for the jokes because the way you set that up, I just know it's coming.
Raghav Mandava has proof that hard work से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों सिर्फ कभी-कभी. Even hard work doesn't pay.
Fair enough.
Raghav, I lovely to have you here, bro.
It's great to be here, dude. But to be fair, I haven't worked that hard. So
Yeah.
now we'll actually see now we'll actually test that.
Raghav, by proving that 10,000 hours into something also doesn't make you expert. Sorry, Raghav, I love you, yaar.
I love you too, but it does make you an expert. It's just that people might be too stupid to recognize it.
Oh yes, there you go, Raghav Mandava, guys.
That
Genius.
also happens.
But you are really funny, by Raghav, genuinely.
Thank you.
Both for the character I'm doing the jokes, but I really appreciate your humor. बहुत मजा आता है आपको देख के. And Shrestha just finally opened a camera. I guess you can just close it, yaar. After seeing this, I think
Yeah.
it was a better idea to
Actually.
keep it closed. Just kidding, yaar, Shrestha. ठीक है, come on. तो Raghav bhai, let me introduce you to the panel. This is Vaibhav Sethia. You know Vaibhav Sethia. Everyone knows Vaibhav Sethia. That's Anish Naik down there. Anish Naik is,
Hey, Anish, how are you?
he's down there on the YouTube algorithm also. Right at the bottom in the Grand Canyon of YouTube, you'll find Anish Naik. And sometimes you'll also find Mechanical Pandey over there. Mechanical Pandey,
Yo.
winner of IQ Raid Nights, and he, that was the high point of Mechanical Pandey. All just going down from there. And then there is Shrestha, who's only here because she gave me the Zoom premium, and that's the only reason that she's here. She's a member. She pays me money every month to talk to me, and I ignore her even then. So that is the panel, bhai. And we have Raghav Mandava, who's a very senior comic. He started comedy, when before I think 2G also was a thing. And
Yeah, actually, like first open mic in Delhi, first comic on stage.
wow,
That's Baba CJ had done an open mic over there. So first one on stage. If I could just share a little story about it, may I?
yeah, please go ahead. Bhai. You are a senior comic. What I can tell you?
No, you can say no, man. You have
You are
rights.
in Delhi. You don't believe in no, so let's go.
Fair enough. So I literally Googled what to do for nervousness. And one of the things was that carry a glass of water with you. It gives you something to do when you like maybe lose your words or something, so on and so forth. I'm like, okay, fine. So I took I had my paper in one hand, glass of water in the other hand. And I get up and there's no bar stool on stage for me to keep the glass of water. So I'm holding this glass of water in one hand, paper in the other, then holding the mic with this paper. By the end of the evening, I had half a glass, by the end of my 5 minutes actually, I had half a glass of water on stage. Not because I drank any, because I just shook it all out. Just
Why didn't
The
you put it on
worst
the floor?
advice.
Why didn't you just put it on the floor?
I don't know because I was I wasn't expecting to go first.
Yeah, that sucks.
I didn't even tell any, so like I was prepared for this. I didn't even tell anyone from my friends and family to come. But I had massive stage fright.
Yeah, first comic on stage, first time. That sucks, man. And how many audience?
25, 30.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. It was, yeah, that was a memory. But yeah, it's fun.
So Raghav bhai, मैंने आपको there's a Zoom link, there's a link to join the game right here in the Zoom chat. You can find it and you can just join.
Okay. Zoom chat. I don't have anything in the chat. Is this an age thing?
I put it again.
Okay, cool.
So you find it bhai?
Yeah, I got it. It's loading. Okay, cool.
Just sit with a stack of 10,000 bhai. By the way, Shrestha and Anish Naik are matching today.
10,000. Okay.
Shrestha ने सभी पकड़ लिया इस बात में.
Can I sit with 10,001?
No. Did you still sit with 10,001? Because I.
What should I
Yes,
have
know
done that?
you don't believe
Oh
it.
no, man.
I know you don't believe in no, and you have sat here with 10,001.
Yeah. Wait, I shit you not, I didn't do 10,000.
It is
I typed
10,000.
10,000. I typed 10,000.
Just proving all the stereotypes right, Raghav Mandava.
So, Samay, you've done some fuckery over here. I know I typed
You're sitting
10,000.
at 10,001 only bhai.
Uh,
Let me just
All
ask.
right, big stack bully.
Let me ask
Yeah.
one more guy if he's joining. Ankur is calling me from an old friend of mine.
Art.
हाँ Ankur bhai calling me. You want to join? आ जाओ.
ये सही है. पोकर नाउ ने इतने
Oh, yeah, we have
खेलने का
to-
ऑप्शन बना दिया है कि बस कार्ड खत्म ना हो.
how many hands is it? 9 or?
We have
9
a full table, 10 ka table we have.
10 oh my god.
Why?
I haven't played on anything. All the poker sites are like 6 table, right? 9, 10 is like, wow. Some poker sites
Somewhere.
used to have nine people back in the day. Those used to be damn fun. Like when you're like, what I would like to do is like at the end of the evening to sit on the 9 table, micro stakes, and like literally play bingo, just jam, piss everybody else off. But yeah,
But that's a way to lose all your money, bhai.
no, that's why you play micro stakes.
Acha,
Like,
micro stakes.
Yeah, like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, just jam, and
So
pissing
now we
everybody
know
else off.
why your comedy career was, didn't go, because you just spent a whole day sitting with 1, 2, 5.
Hey, I told you end of the night. Whole day I play 5-10.
Acha, whole day play. तो बाहर दिन भर poker ही खिला भाई, Raghav bhai.
Poker
No.
and Dota.
Dota, yes.
By the way,
Dota.
guys, to be to give some context, Raghav is the best poker player on the table. He's
No,
really
I'm
really
not.
good.
No,
You
I'm
are.
not. No, I don't know. I haven't played you all yet.
We haven't played
But
together,
even
but
if
I've
you're
heard
not the
stories.
best, even if Raghav's not the best, like he's one of the most fun players to play.
Yeah.
That's
He's
Raghav.
very strong.
Yeah, okay, I'm a profitable
many
player.
times.
Like I do wear that with pride. And my biggest, like my funnest day was I sat down on an 88 rupee satellite and took down the tournament for 45,000 rupees. That was the funnest day I've had in poker.
Let's see if this
88
can top
bucks.
that. So Shrestha, you were saying something. कुछ बोल रही थी श्रेष्ठा?
Yeah, I was just saying blinds edit कर लेना.
हाँ, मैं वो तो
I
edit कर
think
दूंगा मैं.
they
Correct,
are
correct.
not- है ना.
ठीक है. तो are we ready, दोस्तों? Shall we?
We're ready. Let's go.
Shall we? We have 9 people on the table. I think one more person will join in some time, but that's okay. Camera पे हम इतना ही ले रहे हैं दोस्तों. तो let me quickly set it up.
Every time in my life, whenever like I've played poker with Raghav, earlier it used to be, it had almost been like I think like 10, 15, 15 बार कम से कम Raghav के घर पे दिल्ली में poker सीखी था.
Yeah.
And every night that we played poker, I remember कम से कम 5 नए terminology सीखे थे poker के. Like just नए lingos which Raghav had like watched too much poker online and he knows too many. Like,
I have many degenerate friends who play a lot of poker. And उनके साथ मैं बहुत पैसे हारा हूँ. So
But it was nice, like every now and then, like कोई नया word, कोई नया like just a new technical term. in the field of poker.
yeah, because you all didn't, but also because you all didn't know anything about poker. No? So for you it'll be like that. Now after like 30 games, you won't hear any new technical term or term. Like after like so much
So
time.
any of you like play poker online? I say in general,
One-
apart from this one.
I play.
I play. I've taken a break for a while because I'm running really bad. It's
You know, used to quite well, right? You made
Yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of money also. In online.
अच्छा, by the way, Kaustubh has joined us also. Kaustubh is my current tour manager. What's up, Kaustubh?
Hello guys.
Also, Kaustubh is the guy.
Hello.
Very crazy story that ये मेरे कॉलेज में था. अब मेरा टूर मैनेजर है ये. पर मैं कॉलेज
Really?
yeah हम सेम कॉलेज से पढ़े, सेम PVG. मतलब he was in the better department IT, but now the package is not great. And now he's running very well because he's touring with all the comics, very successful and one of the best, really one of the best tour managers. And whenever it's Kaustubh with me, I am very stressful कि भाई ये शो तो perfect जाने वाला है. And unless एक शो हुआ था recently, but उसके फिर हमने हर जगह पढ़ा था उस शो के बारे में. Thanks Kaustubh for that one. But उसके अलावा Kaustubh 100% strike rate on very good shows. And Kaustubh was the first guy who actually gave me the opportunity to try comedy on stage. तो he used to run classic comic hunt का classic rock comedy का पता था ना पुणे में जो विवेक देसाई चलाता था. तो कौस्तुभ विवेक देसाई का इंटर्न था.
Oh,
या तो कौस्तुभ ने मुझे बताया था कॉलेज में कि भाई तू फनी है बहुत, तो तू ये ट्राई कर क्लासिक कॉमिक हंट. तो मैंने वो ट्राई किया था और क्योंकि कौस्तुभ ने मुझे बताया था, मैं वहाँ गया था, उसने मुझे पासेस दिए थे एंड मैं वो जीत गया था. और उससे पहले भी कौस्तुभ वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन. आई वाज सच अ बिग फैन ऑफ ऑल द कॉमेडी सीन. पुणे कॉमेडी फेस्टिवल 1 जब हो रहा था तो मेरे पास, मैं तब कॉलेज आई थिंक सेकंड ईयर में था और मुझे जाना था वहाँ पे क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत था, पर मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे तब. तो मैंने कौस्तुभ को बोला था भाई तू सब काम करता कर सकता है क्या. तो कौस्तुभ ने लास्ट मोमेंट में मुझे 500 रुपये का पास दिया था. लास्ट सीट पे था मैं. और सबसे फनी बात था, तो मैं एकदम ही नूब हुआ, पहली बार कॉमेडी शो देखने गया आदमी और फुल धूप में खड़ा हूँ करण केनी को देखने के लिए, जस्ट टू सी अतुल खत्री वंस. ठीक है. एंड आई एम जस्ट फकिंग एक्साइटेड देयर एंड आई एम सिटिंग इन द लास्ट. कुछ लौड़ा दिख रहा है वहाँ से. ठीक है. तो फिर मैंने पूरा कैमरा निकाला अपना, जूम करके H4K में रिकॉर्ड करके पूरा उनका सेट मेरे डाल दिया था, अपलोड कर दिया यूट्यूब पे. कहीं सेबेस्टियन नेवर डिसअपॉइंट्स. पूरा 40 मिनट सेट उसका इंटरनेट पे. अतुल खत्री किल्ड इट अगेन. पूरा 40 मिनट. फिर मुझे वहाँ से स्ट्राइक आई, दोनों हटे मेरे वीडियो. फिर जाके मैंने अगली बार अप्लाई किया और उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया कि उस जगह तूने लास्ट टाइम ये किया था. दैट्स द रीजन दे कॉल्ड मी. दे डिडंट कॉल मी बिकॉज़ दे लाइक माय शिट, बट दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट इनटू कॉमेडी भाई.
that is hilarious.
Wow.
40 minutes.
अतुल खत्री नेवर
How
डिसअपॉइंट.
did I not know this? That's hilarious. That's epic. That's epic.
नाउ वी आर हियर.
Now we're here, bro.
मैंने दूसरे का नहीं किया, मेरा खुद का पहला पूरा 20 मिनट ऑनलाइन है
हाँ.
जो अब देख लिया, देखने लायक भी है.
Kaustubh Nale has been with me through my thick and thin भाई. याद है क्या टांगे वाला सोसाइटी?
Yeah, bro. Those are the days, man.
Those are not the days भाई.
Those are some days.
Those are
Now
some
they're
days.
better. Now
Those
they're
are some
better,
days,
but some days. Yeah.
Bibbe वाली to बाले वाली भाई.
People to Malayali.
बस मैं सेटअप कर रहा हूँ. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just setting up the OBS. It takes some time to do that.
कोई चैट में लिख रहा है इसके शो पे भी यही
Yeah,
करूंगा
what's
अब
up,
मैं.
Let's go. Raghav भाई, tell us some story. Until then I do this because you are such an ancient comic. तो आप बताओ ना अपने कुछ ज़माने की बातें. Who were the comics coming up when you started?
Who were the comics coming up when I started? It was Rajneesh Kapoor's, Neeti, CJ, Tandon, Mahit. Man, I was just sitting. Now I have to think of a story to tell you. Okay, I'll tell you guys.
I've heard that back then the open mics were just rowdy as fuck, right?
They weren't just, no, they actually weren't. So like when they started out in Delhi, like when at least when Delhi started, it kind of had the impression of the hot new thing in town. So the first solo I ever put up was like to give you an idea how much. At my third open mic that I'd organized, there were 110 tickets sold
Wow.
for an open mic. Everybody came. They were like, "There's this comedy. Stand-up comedy is arrived here in Delhi. We want to go see what this is." And the thing is, it used to happen in pubs and bars, right? So it also made for a great night out, and it was a new night out. So like you would have like huge numbers of people. Like there would be like, but then also there was only one show every 2 weeks. So there was also that. And but there have been some rowdy moments. There was one time. There's one story I cannot share. It's for the comic who was mostly involved in it to share in the public. Although there was this one time we were doing a pub gig. I don't remember the dates of it, but there was like this guy, and it was like typical, like new date, alpha male vibe. And that मैं तेरे से funny है. And the thing is, this guy was like heckling all the, and he was picking his battles. He wasn't heckling me, who was the host. He wasn't heckling like CJ, who was a seasoned comic. He was like doing that shitty thing. Like if he saw like a nervous comic, he would heckle that person.
What an
Like,
asshole.
like किसी की फट रही है, you can clearly see this child, like a 17-year-old kid, is struggling. Like he's in that part of his, and he's heckling this guy. Then there's another comedian again, Samir Maira, the legend of Samir Maira. Okay, for the audience, Samir Maira is this comic who would he would do funny songs with the guitar. He would start with covers, and then he started doing like his original compositions. He destroyed every show he ever did. However, he found the love of his life in a show, married her, bugged off to Canada, happy
wow.
ending.
Like, he stopped comedy after that?
Yeah, the greatest ending. Got a
बस
great
लड़के
job.
पटाने के लिए आया था comedy में.
He got a great job. लड़की पटा लिया, शादी हो गई, भाग गया. खुश है वो.
Wow, and then after that, every night he got a great job. And even Anirban started even Anirban found his partner in the comedy show, right?
I am not aware of this.
Yeah, na, why?
अरे he's hinting me.
वह सेठ अभी दोस्तों crowd work कुछ ज़्यादा ही time चल गया उनका भाई.
Just so
I
heckler.
remember. Raghav used to run a room, and I think मैंने 3-4 ही stand up के open mics या shows जो भी because Calcutta open mics नहीं तो shows ही होते थे सीधा. My first one was with Andy Watson, UK Tech comedian, first show ever. Second was with Papa CJ, third was with Veeda. सीधा. मतलब this is first 3 shows of my life. Opening doing 10-15 minutes for them. And I remember उसके बाद Calcutta में होते ही नहीं थे मतलब 3-4 महीने. So I called up Raghav because मेरे को पता था दिल्ली में Raghav used to do this. And I called up Raghav that I want to come do an open mic in Delhi. And I was flying from Calcutta just for an open mic. And Raghav told me please मत कर. And I was like क्यों मतलब नहीं इतना work नहीं है कि तू दिल्ली आके flight के पैसे खर्चे करके एक open mic करियो.
I don't understand when comics make an effort. It like bothers me. It's like you're not. That's how lazy I am.
No,
in terms
these
of
days
philosophy.
people don't get stage time, so they have to do it. Back in
Yeah.
the day, I think there was a lot of stage time. No,
Yeah, I don't think. I think if I would have started even 3 years later, 4 years later, I got it so easy. I would have quit. It would have become work. You have to persist and blah 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 blah. Like I would have like नहीं ये काम है.
But वैभव भाई, how did that work? Like you, आपने audience से ही आप फिर उसको पटा लिया आपने तो भाई सीधे ही.
किसको बोले? Oh, my wife.
Yeah.
So she was friends with one of the comics, na? That's why she had come.
अच्छा, that's why she had come. Okay.
Yeah. उसके बाद वो ऐसे नहीं आई.
And she saw you
But,
performing the first time you guys met. She saw you performing.
Yeah, but we didn't meet that day.
Oh, but she
We
saw you
met at
performing.
NSF. Yeah.
And you had a good set.
Yeah. मैं उस टाइम के हिसाब से तो good ही था, but हाँ, it was decent.
And then you met her later saying कि you thought
I
that was
met her.
funny. Let me
And
show you
it's
my
very
other skills.
I'm so glad I met her.
That's so cool. Man.
Yeah.
Oops.
So दोस्तों game has begun here. Let's see.
Where is the? Okay, got it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how to play it.
Yeah, where are the board
Oh.
buttons?
What buttons?
Old.
है ना?
Right bottom में.
They appear when you
Okay. Please, mail like.
You can just refresh it. अगर आप refresh भी करो तो आ जाएगा आपको, कोई stress नहीं.
Actually, I had made the screen half and half, so I guess since it became vertical, the buttons vanished or whatever.
Oh, we have Ankur also joining us.
Hey, someone's
Yo, what's up, man?
Hello, Ankur bhai. What's up? Long time.
What's up?
We have a professional player here, man. What the fuck?
No, what? Who's the guy, man?
Ankur used to run PokerStars. We used to stream together long ago.
man.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Coincidentally, it's a Sunday and we're playing poker. I'm reminiscent of Sundays with PokerStars.
Yeah, but now, guys, I am already in talks with PokerBazi for doing something with them. So, Ankur bhai, let's
Nice.
not talk about the
No, they're good
the
friends.
past.
They're good friends and they're doing great stuff.
Yeah, they're doing great. Bazi though is especially doing great stuff because of the rabbits that they have.
Yeah.
मैंने rabbits off रखे हैं. Let me turn on rabbits.
Dude, they're very tilty. Rabbits are so tilt-inducing.
I'm just putting the rabbits on.
What is rabbits?
Rabbits basically you can see कि भाई क्या आने वाला था.
Oh.
Just to add that extra masala. You
Yeah.
That's what-
They're very.
Hold on, I just paused the game for a while. Yes, rabbit hunting allow. Run it twice also मैं रखा है. Straddle रखूँ या नहीं रखूँ?
Why not?
Fuck it, let's
Only
not
one straddle is live or restraddle?
No,
is
I have not
live?
put straddle. Fuck it.
Okay.
ठीक है, चलो शुरू play कर रहा हूँ मैं. And I'll be going here and there to the chat also sometimes to check on them कि भाई क्या चल रहा है वहाँ पे.
Someone texted me कि सबके stacks visible नहीं है stream पे.
हाँ, मैं अभी करता हूँ वो sort.
हाँ.
So who's expected to win tonight?
Raghav Mandava
What?
most likely.
What is this? This is just
Okay,
trash
okay.
talking. No. You.
And
I-
what's up for grabs then?
So the winner, I thought I'll give them like a 10,000 rupees.
No money, man. There has to be something embarrassing on the line.
Like that.
That was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always.
Okay, fine. Then the winner, but we'll have a winner, right? We won't have like a loser.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Unless you say the person will get out first or second. or
अच्छा एक बार
something.
अगर आप out हो गए table से you can't. There are no binds.
There's no rebuys, right?
No binds.
So it's essentially a tournament final table. With only
Yeah.
first place wins, or do you want to make a second place also?
No.
You're gonna do 8-2.
Only first place.
Only first place.
Oh, did we just have the same 8 king?
Yes.
Straight. We started straight and he folded pre-flop. That's good. Okay. I'm just going to go with the chat for a while, guys. अपना वो मत दिखाना. क्या बोलते हैं? अपना don't watch the stream, please. Okay.
हाँ भाई.
I trust you all except Anish Naik. तो hello chat. What's up? आई हैव मेरे हाथ में है जो है एस क्वीन है दोस्तों, विच इज अ ग्रेट हैंड. मैंने इनकी आवाज़ थोड़ी कम कर दिया. रन इट वाइज बी ऑन बिल्कुल. यो साहिल.
Okay.
ओके एस क्वीन है हमारे पास, तो अब हम करेंगे इसको रेज.
Mr. Kale,
रेज, लेट्स रेज इट अप.
who's that in the background, man?
This is me, Mechanical Pandey. Yeah, अंकुर भाई.
All right.
अच्छा, समय के
No,
पीछे
no,
बोल
no.
रहे हो.
समय के पीछे बोल रहे हो, हाँ.
अरे मैं देखा ही
साहिल ही
नहीं.
है ना वो?
भाई बैठना, कुर्सी लगा के बैठना. कुर्सी ले आ भाई, बैठ.
साहिल काले.
This is a huge bot.
और यहाँ पे भाई मैंडी से बच करना है. मैंडी कुछ भी कर सकता है भाई. मैंडी से थोड़ी जान
The
पड़ती
video
है.
is here, right?
एंड मैंडी ने फोल्ड किया, वेरी गुड. अंकुर के
Someone
बारी.
putting a lot on the line now.
मैकेनिकल ने किया है कॉल भाई अपने को भाई. साहिल
अंकुर भाई प्रोफेशनल है भाई.
उनको आवाज़ नहीं आ रही अभी हमारी.
अच्छा.
हम तो बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं जो एस क्वीन है मेरे पास और यहाँ क्वीन आया है, तो मैं ऐसे गांड फाड़ूंगा हाफ पॉट बैठ करके. हाफ पॉट तो फोल्ड कर देगा ना. रेनबो भी आया है, मतलब हर कलर का है. तो एक सेकंड 1250 ले लें इससे, और 1250 लिया जाए ताकि 1250 तो कॉल
Good shitting
करेगा.
on TCS.
सिर्फ
तो हाँ
सिर्फ पांडे है ना अभी.
सिर्फ मैं और पांडे ही हैं.
Likely is bluffing.
अभी उसके उससे अब लिया
Weak
जाएगा.
C
5 आ
back.
गया.
Weak C back. Oh,
देखते क्या करता है वो.
Admin, some kind of.
नो वे ही हैज अ
We can't
5 प्री
comment
फ्लॉप.
on
उसने
that.
अगर रेस किया है तो 5 तो नहीं होगा उसके पास. तो एस.
Yeah, I guess it can't.
ओके, अब जैक भी है, लेकिन कोई वो नहीं है.
Then auto trash talk.
8
What's
के
the fun?
जगह 9 होता तो शायद.
I mean, if you're in the hand, you can say whatever you want with Samay. But
But I want to needle him. How do I needle him?
What he has here? He has kings. If he has king, then fuck. He doesn't have.
Oh.
nice hand.
What did you have भाई?
What he was bluffing, भाई. भाई मेरे पास 7 और ace था भाई. I
Ace
thought he was
seven.
bluffing.
But okay.
Mechanical that okay.
मैं straight बंदा.
What's up, Sahil?
What's up साल कह रहे हो?
कौन कह रहा है?
अंकुर भाई.
अरे अंकुर भाई, you're looking like a poker player.
What?
Good re-raise also, Samay.
Thanks.
Give me some cash.
तो साहिल अब हमारे पास एस और 8 है भाई, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
तो हम करेंगे रेस, क्योंकि हम बटन पे भी हैं.
Okay.
तो लेट्स रेज इट अप. तो हम चाहते हैं कि सब चूतिया बंदे जो हैं फोल्ड करें भाई. जिनके पास कोई चूतिया बता है वो फोल्ड करे सब. ठीक है?
1000 के होगा जिसके भाई खेले.
हाँ, तो मैंडी तो टाइट ले रहा है शायद.
I'm just
राघव मंडावा है पांडी.
या अभी वाला
Yeah.
माइक ऑन है ना, they can hear us. हाँ भाई मैंडी भाई, what you thinking bro?
I'm just tempted to see what I can catch. It's not really a re-raise.
Go for
calling
it bro.
hand. Nah, man.
Kuitas never win.
No, I just wanted to see a flop.
Vayo City is tired as fuck, no way he calls me.
In your face.
Okay Vayo City, yeah, let me show my positional advantage to you now. Hello kids, today let me show you the advantage of being the dealer better. And now Vayo City will bluff us with half power bet.
Fuck, I can't figure out how to raise.
I will raise, you tell me how much you'll raise, I'll raise it for you. You just check, how much you want to raise?
अब तो हो ही गया क्या?
ये लो भाई, let me raise it up for you. Let's see if you can call this. Okay, you do. Let's see if you can keep doing it. It's on you, let me show you my positional advantage.
Okay, how do I raise?
How much you want to raise, bhai? You tell me I'll raise now. Tell me, just tell me a number.
No, I want you to see it and feel it when I
I
do
will,
it.
how much, you know what, how much you want? Just tell me the number.
Okay, I have.
What the fuck?
अबे अपने
You're like Indian Tony G.
ये लो मेरे भाई. Fuck it, no? How much you want to raise? Tell me. I will do it.
Fine.
You want to raise? What do you want to do? You want to go home?
Sure, man.
You want to sleep? I think the way you play, you want to sleep. I can see.
Let's do it, buddy.
You want to sleep? I can put you to sleep.
Let's do it. अबे यार, I don't know how to raise. Fuck it, I'm just checking.
You know what? Good night,
hand के बाद
Vasu.
मेरे को बताना.
How much you have? Let me give you 4249, so that you still have
man.
one chip left in the game.
I used to do this. Like this.
What happened? Okay, Vasu, go home.
Oh my god.
Fucking nuts.
भाई.
Oh man.
The odds, bro.
Okay, Vasu, yeah. Let's see what you can. If you can make a comeback from here.
This is.
He doesn't even know how to raise. So he can't even
All
go
in. Oh my God, Vasu, all in. I have to fold, man. Vasu, all in. Fuck. What did you have, bro? What was the last one? I think you had the guts. I had the nuts, but you had the guts.
You had an ace high last. No, I had a king high. That's right,
Oh
yeah.
fuck.
You had king high flush.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, that's sad. That's sad.
Oh fuck. Second nuts, man.
वैभव भाई के चिप्स नहीं दिख रहे, बंदा कह रहा है ही नहीं वहाँ पे भाई.
वो इमोटिकॉन्स है ब्रो, वो भी ज़्यादा है चिप्स से.
Okay भाई.
Can't wait to make 6
What you can't tell us what you have.
6 chips in it this by winning.
Wherever pocket twos or what? He's flop to full house. I mean, turn to full house.
These stats तो भाई जो डाल रहा है भाई दबा के. What he has have flush draw I think. Run it twice. Well, said run it twice. No fucking way.
Oh,
Full house.
pocket twos are there though.
Shit, bad beat.
It was. Alright, it was lovely having you, मेरे भाई.
All right, guys. Bye bye. Have fun.
GG, man. GG.
GG.
Jeez, bhai. Jeez.
Bye, Vasu, yeah. Lovely having you today. तो दोस्तों ये था वैभव सेठिया. क्यों अंकल भाई मजा आएगा उस साइड में?
Bro, I'm waiting to get into hand with you.
अरे wait for it
अंकुर
brother.
भाई को PTSD हो गया रे.
I'm missing my hoodie and a cap and everything.
Fucking made me do the whole OBS bhai.
I mean, what is this, man?
Why, what
I wanted to raise a much bigger number.
Raise against me na next one.
Why is like bet 200 and now the play is over? I was making a
You
play.
could just उसमें number डाल सकते हो ना.
No. Like so, like I have a button here. Okay, I'm just calling you with queen high. I just want to see what you have. Nice. Like what I wanted to do was I wanted to bet a really big one on the turn, but there's like a default bet 200 button. तो वो गलती से दब गया. As opposed
बाजू
to
में एक
bet-
bet का button है.
हाँ वही. Now once you make a mistake you learn. But I guess if I would have bet like pot plus on the turn, I don't think anybody was calling.
जो कॉल 1000 आ रहा है मैंने और अभी हमारे टेबल में जैसे कि उनकी जान फट रही है हमसे कॉस्ट तो डीलर बटन पे तो उसका पोजीशन एडवांटेज है
Aggro player you are, Samay.
And
No,
there's
I just felt like
No, no,
CSC
I think
full side
I'm Samay.
उसने कॉल
हाँ,
किया है
okay.
मतलब उसके पास कुछ
Yeah, aggro player.
एंड अब देखते सीएससी क्या करती है हम अब इनको फोल्ड कराएंगे फोल्ड कराएं ब्लफ करके देखते हैं क्योंकि अभी तक हम ऐसा खेल रहे हैं कि लोगों को भरोसा है
on the
हमारे
software, can you show your hand after your opponent folds? Can you like?
I will show this one तो I have the nuts you see
I saw an icon.
there you go
Oh fuck, I had the jackpot.
I had literally the nuts I mean the balls I had balls in this one
But like, can I show my hand?
yeah you can click on show and it will show
I think on the bottom right there's an option that says show hand after you fold also.
नीतीश राहुल का उसको भेजा था लिंक वो आया नहीं भाई वो कहीं रहेगा आज
This garbage. Yeah, it's but
इसको मैं थोड़ा ऐसे
Show hand the
करते हैं
we play bad poker.
विवेक देसाई के 100 के क्या गायब क्या?
Yeah, how do you raise by the way? I can see bet 200, but how do you make it more than that?
Like there's a bet next to it.
Bet
and
option.
that- Like there's bet 200 and then bet.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, then I have check fold. Any bet and I'm
निशाना
out.
एक आ गया ना इसमें
Any bet.
20 stacks.
Mechanic will make a bet.
हां
20 stacks है.
20
See,
नहीं
now you say so much. I'm scared somebody else will call the bluff.
मैं इसको ना नीचे डाल रहा हूं ताकि इसको मतलब क्या कर पाऊं ऐसे और ऐसा मैं जीनियस भाई
भाई ये खेल के
Wow.
ये सब
Hey, I think I'm gonna make this bot.
Yeah, you did.
Yes. Just you should have bet. You should have bet. I said I am check
ओके
fold.
एवरीथिंग्स फाइन ना
Anybody bets I fold. I said it. I had king 9. मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला था वहाँ पे.
ओके पॉकेट जैक से अपने पास भाई स्ट्रांग है और बेस्ट पड़ा था कि लास्ट टाइम ने ब्लफ किया था ना तो लगेगा हम अभी ब्लफ करेंगे तो कोई तो आएगा हमारे साथ मैं इसको किसी कारण मारूंगा
कार्ड्स भी अच्छे आ रहे हैं.
So wow, this is a big pot.
जैक तो आया नहीं चेक करना पड़ेगा आई कुड हैव डन हाफ पॉट बट इनको ये तो कॉल करते ही थे मैंने डालेगा ना अभी 2300 डालेगा 2350 डालेगा
वो
देखो
सुन सकते हैं.
नहीं सुन सकता कुछ नहीं उसके पास होता तो अभी तक करता था वो पॉकेट जैक से
What time है?
किसी के पास कुछ नहीं है भाई अंकुर डालेगा क्या 2350
We checks.
नहीं डाला उसने तो चलो अब हम इनको
Hey, hi.
अरे भाई मेरे को बैट करना था चेक गलती से बैट करना था
तो भी.
पैंच और एस लग गया किसी का एस लग गया वहाँ चो देख 200 डाले
Someone famous trade a little bit.
चल ठीक है खराब खिला हमने खेल सकते अच्छा
हाँ.
डालेगा क्या तो देखा ना एस लगा ना इसका अपने को प्री फ्लॉप हमने वो गलती से चेक कर गया ना और
I
फ्लैश
got
को
an
भी
ace.
उधर कोई वर्थ नहीं था 5-6 था उसके पास
Oh.
I had a straight.
गांड मारी उसने हमारी ऐसे ही ब्लफ करके
Nice.
यार पॉकेट जैक से प्री फ्लॉप रेस करना था
Nice one.
प्री फ्लॉप नहीं वो
Position,
एंट्रेशन में
position.
डालनी थी
I think I also just enticed you with that.
Yeah, I think the 200 was definitely like
Yeah.
bluff me please.
खराब खिला लास्ट में
I think
I
it
missed
was
my double cutty man. I had a double cutty on the flop, nothing hit. I had a fucking pair.
ओके किसी का फ्लश हो सकता है फ्लॉप में कोई वर्थ इट नहीं है इसमें घुसना अनलेस कोई 5 आ जाएगा तो हमारा स्ट्रेट रेट हो रहा है
Oh, I need.
किसी के पास एक भी है अगर कॉस्टू को आता नहीं खेलना वैसे 3 4
Oh, there are not that many big blinds left.
एक 500 तो दे सकते हैं अपन ठीक है कॉस्टू को शायद बाद में पेल दें
4, 8, 7, 7.
कॉस्टू के पास क्या है फ्लश हिट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है? कुछ नहीं अपने पास क्या करना है इनको करें ब्लफ 3000 के लिए वर्थ
नहीं
रहेगा
नहीं भाई नहीं होगा. Better नहीं किया.
मेरे को लगता है कि वैसे हो सकता है लोग आउट हो सकते हैं दोनों
अरे क्या फोन.
अबे दोनों को नहीं आता भैंस है नहीं था उसके पास कुछ भी मैं उसमें हाई से जीता हूं मैं हाई से जीता हूं
Toss it?
8 high.
कॉस्टू 8 हाई हाउ डिड आई विन विद 8 हाई ब्रो व्हाट द
Yeah,
फक यू
yeah.
आर
I was just bluffing
Rig.
initially.
हाउ कैन यू ब्लफ बाय कॉलिंग माय थिंग व्हेन यू हैव नथिंग ब्रो
Rig.
What is this shit, man?
Like,
Fucking I was shades and all came to play poker. You guys are winning 8 high. That's so-
can't believe I won 8 high that one my Costu you are the best tour manager I can tell you this but worst poker player I'm glad you're not playing poker for a living मेरे भाई
what just happened?
I can't believe
What
it
was that, man? What was that?
Does it
Initially-
hand history thing?
can you delete that from hand history
You can see that in the log though, but I initially thought would match his bet and he would fold, but then
Costu वो अंकल नहीं आते जो गोवा में डेल्टे में आते हैं फिर रोते हुए उल्टे करके आते हैं वापस बोर्ड पे ओके एस क्वीन सूटेड है बेंचो और बटन भी है मां की सूट
भाई क्या ही है.
बहन चोद बटन भी है अपने पास पर पता प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि अपने अच्छे प्लेयर ने कर दिया फोल्ड अब इसको हम करते हैं रेस ठीक है कितना इसको करवाएं रेस 1600 करवाते हैं कॉस्ट तो करेगा ऑल इन करेगा क्या कॉस्ट नहीं नहीं अभी करेगा चुपचाप फोल्ड सीएससी देखते एक्शन देखिए हमको दी उसने एक्शन कुछ बना नहीं अपना पर सीएससी को तो हम प्रेशर डाल देंगे अभी देख सीएससी को हम अभी हाफ पॉइंट डालेंगे वो करेगी फोल्ड फोल्ड आएगा उससे नहीं आया बेंचो
मतलब
है उसके पास मतलब है
या तो फिर ब्लफ हो सकता है.
देखते हैं
हाई
शायद
कार्ड तो अपन ही जीते.
नहीं आया कुछ नहीं आया अपना क्या ऑल इन डलवा के उससे वो करेंगे उसके पास है क्लियरली है उसके पास
देख
यहाँ
2000 का रिस्क है. एक बार लेट्स लाइक 50-50.
वो तो हम हार रहे हैं स्ट्रेट अप हार रहे हैं हम यहाँ
हां.
What a monster pot, man.
ये हम हार गए
Taking one player out. अरे यार.
मुझे पता ना हार गए
Oh, nice call.
Oh wow, nice call, man.
one time I
I was
fold.
just scared at the last moment. कि भाई
एसिंग आया एसिंग आया
Who is CSE?
8 से उसने कॉल किया जैक पे भाई
Who is that? Who made that call?
that's me.
इसको
Nice
लूट लेंगे अभी हम
Nice call, yeah. Wow.
चल अभी अपनी इमेज
Yeah, I was just
लूज है अपनी इमेज की भाई हम कुछ भी खेल रहे हैं ना तो कॉल तो आना चाहिए
Let's
अपने
go.
You made somebody tilt. I think this is a tilted race.
करना कॉल फिर सीएस
Yeah, he's now again on.
करना कॉल
Samit, you bluff, you whiffed it.
देखा देखा
Now you're like.
hand
I'm
show
bluffing
दिखाओ
again.
इनको दिखाओ
Oh, fair.
Nice.
I showed that
I had 7-4.
Chop chop.
Yeah.
fight time तो लड़ने पत्ते क्या hands आ रहे good day हाँ भाई
See,
1-1 to fetch. नहीं भाई. Hold on.
bad position to be in.
If two people call, I call.
No, don't.
अच्छा blinds बढ़ते आ रहे हैं फर हैंड के साथ ये देखिए यहाँ तक दिखेगा
One of the bots.
यहाँ पे
I'm good at that.
What's your next plan?
If two people call, I just had to defend my big blind after that. With this garbage.
भाई वो सुना तूने इनका उमेर का
हाँ,
एल्बम
बहुत
हैंड
मस्त
शो
है।
मजा आ गया
बहुत मस्त है।
फेवरेट
मेरे को ठीक से सुनना है.
हाँ,
Like
of
lyrics
course.
लेके proper बैठ के पढ़ाई
Nice,
जैसे.
nice, nice.
Sounds good भाई. Sonic.
Maybe folds.
किंग 6 सूटेड इस पोजीशन से नहीं खेलना चाहिए पर खेलते
सुन सकते हो लोग.
नहीं
Worth a check at least.
लिप इन करने का
Raise or jam.
करेगा ना मंडा वाली कभी देखा उसने हमको उसने बोला ना इफ यू रेज आई
Man, I was gonna do that.
भाई क्या?
Was my move.
Let's do it.
पॉकेट पेयर्स पॉकेट
No, I
टेंस
can't.
Crazy लेके.
I'll show my hand and say I also my move.
How do you show?
किंग 6 पे तो गैम्बलिंग है तो कॉल करेगा
There's a bottom
gambling.
of the
Show hand.
right.
No ego.
पॉकेट पेयर
No ego.
Bottom
क्वींस
right.
किंग्स जैक्स किंग्स और अपने पास है क्या
After everybody folds, basically.
After, yeah.
ब्लफ नहीं करेगा एसेस या पॉकेट्स कुछ तो पॉकेट्स है
Now it will show
दिखाएगा?
you.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
मैं कर रहा नहीं
ऐसे
दिखाएगा
क्या भाई?
यहाँ अरे फ्लश आया था अपना रनर पे मैच पर ये गैम्बलिंग है वो नहीं करना है ना
Gambling था.
इज्जत से खेलते
Okay,
हैं
I
ना
do seven, man.
भाई फ्लैश में आया
I do
फ्लश
seven, no.
पक्का पॉकेट पेयर है क्या था उसके पास
But दिखाया नहीं मतलब नहीं था ना.
नहीं वो नहीं वो अपना स्ट्रेटजी नहीं दिखाना चाहता है
Unless 80 raises. Low cards. Low cards.
ओके
Good enough.
लो कार्ड बोल रहा है मैंडी को ब्लफ करना नहीं आता मैंडी के पास है बेंचो किंग है कुछ वो कह रहा है लो कार्ड ताकि लोग लगे कुछ नहीं है अभी देखने डालेगा वो अभी कॉल करेगा चुपचाप
Wow.
चुपचाप फाइनल डालेगा वो कभी
Not three people calling on the spot, man.
फोल्ड ही अरे सच में जेन्युइन बता रहा था वो
Okay.
बहुत स्ट्रांग प्लेयर है मंडा
हाँ क्या?
व्हाट्स अप दिवांकर पटेल लेट्स लव यू बाय पिंड एक्स रखा
अंकुर and guys हमें shoot. भाई वो क्या?
वो epic था भाई, वो prank
भाई
था
यार, that was the funniest.
तेरे को आता पोकर अभी
नहीं मेरे को तभी लास्ट खेला था भाई वो टाइम पे ही. उसके बाद तो
हैंड रैंकिंग तो बता तेरे को
हाँ मतलब
सबसे नीचे क्या आता है हाई कार्ड
हाँ.
उसके ऊपर
Runner.
नहीं भाई,
Disgusting.
पैंच इसके बाद फ्लैश मिला लास्ट में रनर ओके जैक 10 कॉल तो कर ही सकते हैं
मैं जब भी खेलता भी था वो शीट के साथ ही खेलता था.
हाँ.
अभी भी.
Nice
हाँ,
one.
तो सबसे नीचे हाई कार्ड 1 पेयर 2 पेयर
हम्म.
3 ऑफ अ काइंड स्ट्रेट
Now, more the
फ्लश
Flush,
फुल हाउस
full house.
उसके बाद छोड़ दे 4 ऑफ अ काइंड वो सब बहुत रहेगा
I'll get a little.
ओके इसने अंकुर ने खेला है इसके पास है तो अंकुर के साथ हैंड में जाते हैं फर्स्ट टच पे अंकुर
Hmm.
अंकुर
मुझे
को
पता है
action-
भाई,
मैं जा रहा हूं
Everybody else like this.
यो अंकुर आई एम
Everything
कमिंग इन
on the
जस्ट
sideline.
आई एम कमिंग जस्ट टू गिव यू एक्शन ब्रो आई हैव नथिंग ब्रो
Okay, fair enough. I have something.
ओके लुक एट दिस
Man.
गाय
Who is this guy?
5,000.
Who is this on the stream right now?
आई एम गोइंग फॉर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम
Who is this on the stream? I want to see. I want to look into
भाई
my
अपने
eyes
पास है
and see.
32% चांस की हिट होगा एस आएगा या 10 आएगा 9 आएगा
He's not.
एस या 9 टू
No wonder he's making these raises.
32% चांस है
It's not allowed, man.
कैलकुलेट कर 5000 बाय 15000 कितना होता है वन
Show
थर्ड
your face on the stream. Show your face on the stream, man.
ओ भाई.
Come here and raise it to my
Crazy.
face.
Crazy.
ही चेक्स दिस वन
Crazy.
Very serious.
Oops.
Oh,
अरे
man.
टू पेयर हाई कार्ड.
Oh.
अरे यार.
स्ट्रेट ड्रॉ एंड जैक
Oh, wait, oh,
Oh, man.
crazy.
आह
Alright guys.
Oh, man.
उसने क्वीन से कॉल किया भाई गट्स मुझे उसको मैं दिखाऊं किंग है मेरे पास तो मैंने हाफ आउट बैठ गया या तो स्ट्रीम देख रहा है तो उसमें गट्स
We start
I think you fire off a jam at the end.
I mean I went half out thinking that he will fold because
Yeah, I think the turn bet was that, right? If he calls the turn, he's already committed now.
yeah so then I can't jam in the end because he's already like he will call it no matter what
And effectively, stack is at play, so I think he has to commit.
Fold करना है 3 सेकंड.
I did the right thing I thought over there but he just had guts
Yeah, but in a three-way hand, somehow I think if there is a raise and a call, very unlikely with that board, it's a naked bluff.
yeah
Has to be king or queen because
I
I
had to call the 5k there right for the like I calculated
Yeah,
that the
but
pot odds.
your turn raise was not required. Especially you got a free check. Take the free check. You have a pair.
No,
and
but I thought I have
and
like I'm still on a draw. At least I'll make him fold it out. I'll still,
Yeah.
you know because they're such big.
you
hands.
can do that. You know, 1/3 pot. You don't have to make it so expensive. Like leave yourself the room. Huh? Why you have to make it so expensive?
Correct. No bad play. Mechanical with the rockets.
Yup.
Rockets
Okay,
का
then
pre
these
flop हो
stats-
जाना फिर.
हाँ नहीं कुछ पता नहीं रॉकेट वॉकेट ऐसे
मतलब दोनों एक है तेरे हाथ में तो pre flop jam करना 7,000 तेरे कोई call देगा 14 हो जाएंगे तेरे भाई.
हाँ
So yeah, 3 that
Yeah.
time.
तू
Yeah,
last
you
तक
should
wait
call.
करेगा तो मैं जो
You should.
11 big blinds. All I'm guys. Come on.
Yeah. These raise the stack raise after this is going to become like
Unnecessary.
Hey, no, fold it, it's fine.
Let's do
Don't
this.
worry.
It's fine. No.
Run it twice.
Yes.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
run it twice.
Okay, we have to
No.
all in. So yes, queen for a9. Okay.
Oh, sorry, yes. My bad.
चुदा कॉस्ट तो
दोस्त, तू
5-9 से all in जा रहा है.
कल के शो का तैयारी कर तू.
अरे फ्लैश ड्रॉ खुला है पर उसका नहीं खुला.
Oh, oh,
नहीं
Spiked it.
पर
You guys
ट्वाइस नहीं किया. ट्वाइस नहीं किया उसने. चुद गया.
Run it twice.
Oh, man.
दो बार
Thank God you
दो
are
पत्ते
thinking
खुलेंगे
5-1.
आखिरी में.
Oh yeah.
तो या तो एक में हो जीते एक में तो ड्रॉ हो जाए. कॉस्ट भी जा.
ये तो प्रॉपर सेट
भाई पॉकेट 6 है पॉकेट 6
So now, I run it twice is on always. Okay, okay.
Dude,
Fine.
he like cost of one just enough to limp for the rest of the game for a while again.
Yeah, he's got as much as me now, man. From that.
हैंड शोध सभी आ गया वहां पे बेंच उसने प्रीफ्लॉप
Hey man, I don't believe this B stats is a real player. Okay.
Yeah, hey, this is a bot. Who's this bot boss?
Like if
उसने
if
प्रीफ्लॉप
B-Stats
किया है उसके
wins,
पास
These
भाई.
are a bot.
I don't think B stats should get any stats cash because I don't think
हाँ,
this
कुछ नहीं
person
रहा
exists. I think it's a
अच्छा अच्छा बोल
solver.
दिया किंग था उसके बाद
Like just put a bot over there.
Come on, who's this B-stats faceless person? Correct. Everyone
Yeah,
correct.
no, Base Stats is a friend and
Who is
Is
his
he
friend?
human
Why-
or is he AI?
Why
no,
does his friend have a
he's
name?
not he's not a bot
Why is his face not on the screen then?
Why doesn't his friend have a
Because-
name? Okay, Savik.
because of the way he looks.
Text it to me who his
So-
friend is. Say
No,
it
no,
again.
Mid-journey has gotten better recently. He can get better. Don't worry. It's fine.
No, he's actually outside. Like he's not even playing apparently from his house right now.
But
Yeah, he's playing from fucking the Matrix.
How do you know this friend? How do you know this
No,
friend?
he's trusted person.
How do you know this friend? I like how Samir is also avoiding
No,
questions.
I know him. Yeah, he's like a
Identity.
long time old friend.
Yeah, I know him. He bold, right?
I know him through chess, bro. I know him through chess. Most of the times he shows his face. Today he's not
Okay.
showing, which is why so many people are watching right now. Actually, at 3 in the morning.
Hey, free flop. Nice.
He's the only one with the fucking chips right now, by the way.
Yeah.
That's why we want to see his face.
हाँ actually भाई unfair actually.
कोई नहीं.
It's easy to raise when you don't see the other person in the eyes and raise.
देख वो 20 से जो हम हारे ना उसके अलावा हम सही थे. अभी भी हम सेकंड ही है मतलब चिप्स में और बोकारो को तो हम लूट लेंगे भाई.
हाँ हाँ.
बस अब प्रॉब्लम है कि ब्लाइंड्स बढ़ते आ रहे हैं ना.
Blind बढ़ते जा रहे मतलब समझा नहीं मैं.
कि देख मिनिमम 500,000 है नेक्स्ट तो हमारे पास 10 ही बिग ब्लाइंड
All in.
तो इसलिए अब एग्रेसिव होना
Nice.
पड़ेगा.
I'll go for yes.
48 seconds में.
हाँ
Wow.
10 9 8 9 10 जैक ओके एंड सुधा जैक 10 लेके
Oh
बैठा
shit, I'm dominated.
सुधा
7 queen chop chop.
रन इट ट्वाइस क्या रन इट ट्वाइस कर दो आएंगे अभी
Oh.
Hey.
दोनों में चुदा.
That's good.
ओह
Chop
स्ट्रेट आया
chop,
नीचे उसका स्ट्रेट आया 7 8 9 10 जैक तो हाफ हाफ हो गया.
Run it twice,
तो
yeah,
overcard
providing
context
additional
में
quantity.
नहीं जब तुम ऑल इन जाते हो
play
तो
the-
ऑप्शन आता
so
है
like whatever the
कि
situation
run it
you
twice
show your
हमारा
cards to each other sometimes or
All in
not.
बनाते हो तभी.
And जितना रन बचा है वो 2 बार ही आएगा तो मान लो अगर फ्लॉप पे तुम ऑल इन गए तो
हाँ.
टर्न रिवर 2 बार ही आएगा.
अच्छा.
अगर तुम दोनों like then it becomes the best of 2. If you win
अच्छा, if I
both,
say no तो भी नहीं होगा वो.
हाँ, if you say no, नहीं
तो
होगा.
जब तुम्हें पक्का भरोसा है कि तुम जीत रहे हो तब तुम डोंट रन इट ट्वाइस. और जब तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारे फ्लश ड्रॉ है कुछ है तो रन इट
But
ट्वाइस
still you
तुम्हारा
end up
फायदा
winning on that part, right? Because
Yeah.
it's straight to the chop, right?
है. बढ़ गया ब्लाइंड बढ़
Straight
गया.
to the straight to the chop. You ended up winning anyway. You got 75% of that pot, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अब हैंड शो अच्छा खासा ना उसको चुद्दा बनाने के चक्कर में 20 स्टार्स को.
Silly all in.
उसका actually बनाना है. और एक just था कि कोई
पर उसने वो गट्स उधर कॉल करने के लिए भाई उसके पास क्वीन है उधर किंग खुल चुका है और मैंने जैम किया और
भाई वो बाहर है ना तो वो
मैंने
ऐसे
इतना सारा डाला.
सोच के नहीं खेल रहा शायद वो इसलिए.
पर शायद मैं ग्रीडी हो गया था सर मेरे को ना और मैं क्या करता था सही बात कर रहा हूं अगर इसने जरूरत नहीं चेक करता चुपचाप
Don't like disappear and make all these.
ग्रीडी हो गया मेरे को लगा कि मैं उसको फोल्ड करके ले लूंगा सब.
Okay, okay.
3 4 ऑफ अ काइंड मैन जो
Thank you.
3 ऑफ अ काइंड और 4 ऑफ अ 3 तो उसके 3 6 थे वहीं पे. 4 ऑफ अ काइंड देख लिया मैंने पता कितना रेयर होता है 4 ऑफ अ काइंड.
Life.
Give me a
A
second.
nice punch out, man.
Yes, by you venture.
अभी कितने कार्ड है 6 आएगा तो मेरा स्ट्रेट हो जाता या A7 तो मेरा स्ट्रेट हो जाता. कितने कार्ड थे वो टोटल डेक में 52 होते हैं ना.
हाँ
तो अगर सिक्स आता या A7 मेरा स्ट्रेट हो जाता.
straight 4 3
8 hands total 8 cards total that give me a straight right. 4 aces 4 sixes है ना?
नहीं मतलब स्ट्रेट मतलब
जब ये तीन ही थे, जब पहले किंग 5 2 ही थे,
Okay.
तब मेरे पास 3 4 है, तो 2 3 4 5 है.
2 3
अगर 6 आ गया तो
Okay,
स्ट्रेट है,
that's
एस आया तो
what
स्ट्रेट है.
got it. इधर से
हाँ तो 4 4 4 aces है, 4 हुआ तो 8 आउट्स है. The probability that it will come here is 16, the probability it will come here is
दिखता भी नहीं
16.
है.
हाँ तो 4 4 4 aces है, 4 हुआ तो 8 आउट्स है. The probability that it will come here is 16, the probability it will come here is
दिखता भी नहीं
16,
है.
32%.
Okay, वैसे
So वैसा you can do that way.
Fine, take it, man.
और वो फिर से
Okay,
sequence का
whatever.
कलर
भाई पॉकेट 9 है अपने पास.
इसका
रेस
चिट्ठी-
करना चाहिए था यार, ऑल इन जाना चाहिए था इतने बेंच ब्लाइंड्स पे तो. क्योंकि 1000 से तो सभी आएंगे यहाँ पे.
See,
नहीं ब्लाइंड बढ़ गया है ना.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah.
That also actually.
ये डालेगा क्या? ये डालेगा, देखो ऑल इन जाएगा इवेंचुअल सबका लेने के लिए. अपने को लेना पड़ेगा इसका भी, क्या है 9 है अपने पास. मैं तो चाहता हूँ ये दोनों राइट के फोल्ड करें. हैं जो मार चुदी ना भाई, मार चुदी में जाना पड़ेगा ऑल इन, और क्या करूँ इधर.
Bro, bro, इसका address मेरे को please send me address for this person.
भाई अपने
मेरे
पास
भाई
जा नहीं सकते हो, बोकारो में भाई वो.
बोकारो में.
Jharkhand?
यस.
हाँ.
Fuck, my car was registered in Bokaro, man.
Run it twice.
Yeah, I mean, fuck, I have to. I don't
मार चुदी, you are the kings or what, bro? What the
What are you
fuck,
guys
bro?
fucking? What is
The fuck, bro?
क्या हो क्या रहा है? This guy's hard, bro, Bokaro.
The fuck? Another heart नहीं, मार चुदी. मार चुदी. Your kings are good. Your kings are good. Your kings are good.
चलो. GG's from mine भाई.
GG's to you, bro. Bye bye, mechanical. I am also out with you only, bye. Bye, mechanical.
Thanks everyone, मजा आया.
See you, bro.
Bro, I had 9s, bro, over there. I thought कि चलो, I'll gamble this one.
Bye bye.
फर्स्ट टाइम समय इज आउट ऑफ द टेबल.
हाँ यार, big blind में 9 big blind बचे, pocket 9s. मैंने कहा चलो करते हैं, risk लिया जाए.
Risky.
लोग तो जीत भी तो 8 हाथ पे रहा था.
एक से ना कॉस्ट कहाँ गया?
अबे यार.
ये रहा. भाई कॉस्ट तो टिका हुआ है अभी तक. जो Mandy, what the fuck, bro? You have only 5 big blind now.
Well, hi. This is like
CS.
I just don't think one should jam
Shrestha.
low suited connectors. But I was very tempted.
One should only be B-stats.
No, you also are good now. With like 32 you have.
B-Stacks is not a real person.
I agree.
Just don't let B-stats win. He'll be unsufferable.
Like, he's not a real person.
I also don't agree. Who is this person?
Oh,
अरे
man.
लोग मेरा mic mute.
I totally should have jammed.
What you had?
Me too.
I'll show you. Nuts. I was totally tempted. I had 4-5.
4-5 connectors.
700 रुपए रखे भाई कॉस्ट पे आपके.
Last एक small blind.
अरे CSC भी आ रही है क्या बाहर? कॉस्ट भी आ रहा है भाई. Let's go. हो जाएगा कॉस्ट.
Well,
See?
200 रख लिया उसने अपने पास.
there's no point of saving
There's
that
no-
200.
Oh, but there's no point in playing this hand. That might as
No,
well.
but then you have to gamble on just such less big blinds.
You run it twice, yeah, sure. I'll go yes if you want. Oh,
Oh man, Mandy.
that is strong.
I think one time, bro. Easy. Ace always hits one time.
Okay.
Yeah, a dry ace is like, but no.
Ace on the river.
I'm rooting
Nope.
for 10.
Okay.
Nice hand, nice hand. You're back in it.
Nine.
Oh, there's a run it twice, yeah.
Eight's also suddenly.
One
दो
more
बार
ace.
run twice, शुरू से.
अच्छा.
And you hit the ace. Fucking always you chop it. Always you chop it up.
It's a split, it's a split. It's a
Always
split.
ace.
On the river.
Okay.
Dude, the number
Oh
of
my
times
God.
I've gone out to a dry ace, it's infuriating. So I knew at some point the ace would come.
B stars doesn't give a fuck, bro. B stars 4,000.
You know, like the number of times my kings have gone out to a dry ace.
You
Like,
start
oh
is
my god. It's just
B stars big chip bully now. All in, CSC all in. Let's go. Costa, will you go all in or will you fold it out? Let's go.
Wait for another hand.
Run it twice.
these sets is just like bullying.
Eights versus Jack Queen. Man, show 50-48. And now the eights look good.
हाँ सर. ये तो
Queen hits. लौड़े लगे बोकारो के.
No, wait.
And the queen also again. 3 of a kind.
Take that, you faceless, non-existent person.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You are bullying.
Okay, come.
Those-
Chalo.
We need to distribute the chips back among.
भाई कॉस्टो तू यहाँ से जीत गया ना भाई, अगर तो कल तू ही शो करेगा फिर पुणे में. मैं तेरा मैनेज करूंगा सब कल.
Dude, okay, should you not? If Kostum wins from here, he should at least get on stage.
Yeah, tomorrow he's doing
If
my
he
whole
wins
set.
from here, dude. Like if he wins from here, he has to at least get on stage.
I'll go on stage for sure, but it'll be for sound check.
No, during the show. It would be one of the most insanest comebacks.
I mean, like
That's not happening,
Costa, you win from here, whatever you want then. जो तू बोले.
I think if Kostum wins from here, you can just double the prize money.
If Costa wins from here, I'll suck his dick, man. I don't know if that's like that motivates you to win or to lose.
Going all in the next
He
game.
may just dump on his
Hey, wait,
chips.
Sabai is not in the game. Can we all just like pause? No, we can't even like fold it down to him. Because he's got such a big
You
mind.
want me to
We
suck his
can't
dick?
even- we can't- I mean, you put it out there in the universe now.
अरे यार क्या हो रहा है भाई? B-Stats भाई क्या है?
Come on, Kaustubh. Come
It's
on.
not happening.
Come on, Kaustubh, let's go all in. There you go.
Yes.
I'll suck your dick on live stream, Kaustubh, if you win from here. Like if you win the whole thing today.
Not happening.
Okay.
Totally not happening. Bye, guys.
Run it twice or what, Kaustubh?
Let's see what
Just
Kaustubh-
for clarification, which part is not happening? The
Jack.
winning part or the?
A jack or a seven. A jack or a seven. Come on,
Oh,
jack or a
nothing,
seven.
no.
Jack or a seven.
Oh man, Joe is coming back.
He's back in the game.
He's got a big blind.
Somebody there might be some.
You know what this is like? This is the equivalent of like, you know when the disconnected guy doesn't get knocked out?
Yeah,
You might as well be
Hanging by the balls.
Come on. What do you have, Kaustubh? It's 6 or 10. 6 or 10.
He's gonna win this, bro. He's gonna win this. Somebody start.
Man, Joe, both by 6 and 10.
No ace.
Oh wait, ace.
No ace.
Oh my God.
House.
So somebody.
Full house ही आ गया man.
Dude, now we can fold it down to Kaustubh. We can make this happen.
no,
Let's
bro.
hold it. Let's hold it. Let's make him win.
Kaustubh, do you want me to suck your cock?
I don't want to do anything.
Also, bye, yaar.
Oh man.
Oh, God.
Like B-Stats so aggressive, right?
So aggro, man. Somebody like I think he's not getting action. Like something's wrong.
But I know
Yeah, just
Kaustubh can get some action tonight.
Oh man. Really shitty hands.
From 200 he has come to 1600. Huh?
One.
Kaustubh.
Oh,
B-Stats.
Guy's a bully, man.
yeah.
Kaustubh, you can do it. You can do it.
Oh my God, guys. Is it gonna happen?
Also, we're
Do
gonna
it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
भाई ये
Do it.
B-Stats.
I am ready, bhai. I am anyway coming to Pune, Kaustubh. I'll suck your dick there. And you can go all in. And I can, even though you have one, I'll have the nuts.
Sure. Again.
Oh,
Kaustubh, come on, make me a whore of a kind. I want to see your two pair.
Oh man.
And after that, you will not be straight.
Ah, man.
Not twice. Not twice.
Oh,
I'm
bhai,
in
this
so much trouble.
gone.
I'm in so much trouble.
Bro, one time though for sure.
Come on.
Four.
4 or 2. 2 भी चलेगा यार.
Yeah, two also.
This is अबे GG.
No, one more. Yeah, one more.
You always use, इसमें तो बच जाते हो भाई, but I don't think इस बार हो चुका.
Yeah.
5.
Five also.
यार
Chops.
से भी Kaustubh.
Nope.
GG.
Nope. GG's, Raghav Mandava. Lovely hosting you today, bro. Keep coming soon.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Good night.
Good night, bro.
GG.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Good night. Bye.
Kaustubh अभी भी है.
Kaustubh तो है भाई, Kaustubh तो लड़ा चुसा के रहेगा मेरे से.
Yeah, I'm going to stick around to
The
see
bed or the
if it's like
full house?
Kaustubh.
Yeah, go ahead.
Like, I'm just going to stick around to this.
And here, Kaustubh, let's see what he does.
Come on, bro. I don't mind losing to you.
He's gonna come for sure.
yeah.
Alright.
Ace Queen versus 3-6 रहेगा उसके हाथ में भी.
Yeah, I can't see, man.
दिखा ना, show करना. 2 Jack, and he's gonna hold this. The universe is conspiring against this. And he's gonna hit a third heart. Heart आने वाला है उधर.
Man.
आएगा heart. नहीं आया भाई यार, बच गया.
One more. Run it twice, right?
Oh, yeah.
No, you didn't say.
Oh, no, I
Yeah.
didn't. I didn't.
I did.
उसने नहीं किया वहाँ पे.
Man.
Too bad for you, भाई. Kaustubh, you ain't getting no action today.
Too good for me. Thank you so much.
Bye.
You, man.
Okay, now I'm definitely sleeping. Good
See you,
night.
bro. Raghav, bye. Take care.
I really wanted to see that happen. I really did.
Maybe next time. Bye.
Okay.
So now we have the top 4. And I can't believe Anish Naik's lying around.
Okay, let's go all in.
Whoa.
Alright. Good luck.
Good luck all in 220.
Oh, you're my outs. Hey,
But
I
it's
had
gone. Straight man.
one. I had one at least. I had a pair. That's good for me.
And you
And
win
I
them both. GG's. Bye bye, CSC. Lovely having you here.
Bye, good night.
GG. Good night. See you. Now.
And इसी के साथ, guys, now we have the top 3. Let's go. All the best to you all.
Okay.
Top 3. Oh, B-Stats है वो. Yes. But B-Stats यार.
Why some juicy raises? चलो अभी इतना ही तो है तो. Might as well.
Anish Naik all in. Run twice.
भी करेंगे
नहीं किया, run twice नहीं किया.
I've done it.
नहीं वहाँ पे
Also done.
अच्छा किया क्या फिर आया.
मैंने
Yeah.
किया
तेरा तो ऊपर वाले में लग गया, सेकंड वाले में
Oh,
जीत
you
गया.
got
तो
one.
stop half.
Chop.
What's the double run concept? Can you explain, guys? When you go all in, you get an option कि तुम्हें 2 बार देखना है क्या पत्ते. तो अगर तुम दबाते हो,
Basically, it's to beat the variance in the long run. So you even out your variance by doing more number of runouts.
that's it, guys. When you all and it favors you if you have more outs. But if you are already winning, you have the nuts, then you should not do it. Right, bye?
Depends, bro. If you play a lot of cash games, it's probably okay to keep taking it twice because you don't want to run against the variance and you have aces. Somebody has queens and they.
No, but if you have the nuts,
I mean, it depends. If there's 2 more cards and you're not locking in the nuts and you put.
If you hit a flush on the flop, ace high, ace flush.
And let's say unless you're running against the set, I have a set, right?
Yeah,
then
but if
there's still a chance. I would take it twice.
Achha, you would always.
Because imagine it's a 1 lakh pot or 50k pot or tournament don't you twice, but in a cash game, like you're okay, man. So when we play cash game, there's a rule: a pot over a certain size, it's good to take it twice.
Okay, Uncle by the expert. I trust him. I usually don't take it twice if I know I'm winning. Oh, Anish Nag all in.
Bro, I can't call this. What do I do? Oh, I have to only play 500.
Yeah, going 3, man.
Oh fuck, I'm winning this. Hey, what?
It's 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Split. Anish Nag.
See, this is why you take it twice. This is why you take it
बच
twice.
गया exactly उसी moment पे आपने समझाया why you should take it twice.
Yeah, he was dead to a 3 outer almost, and he fucking got it right. Okay, bro.
चलो भाई.
It's a
9, 10
one.
suited, nice one. 7s, but he has okay, equally
50,
good,
50,
equally good.
50. Oh, I'm ahead. Wow.
Oh man, you hit a 9 and a 10 both. Unless a 7 comes here and ruins your day.
8 also. 8 also.
No brother.
But yeah, not one time at
Do you
least.
run it once or twice? Oh, you run it twice, but now you're fucked, right?
Not really.
Yeah, you are fucked, right?
King also mine. Oh,
Let's go भाई.
Split pot. That's why you don't run it twice when you have something good.
but I didn't, right? I was
Yeah, you didn't have
playing.
actually. Yeah, 7s and 9, 10, you have to run it twice.
Okay, man. B starts. Luckily, he's quiet now.
Oh, now B starts playing tight
That's good.
until he raises
Now
now.
that we
Wow.
said this, he's watching the stream. He's listening to all this.
No, no,
And then
no.
he's doing this shit. Fine, bro. B starts. Take it.
What you had?
I had 6, 7.
6, Chani, 5, 6.
He'll not show what he had, but
9, 10. Oh, just 9.
Okay. We'll also play a little aggro poker now.
पत्ती जाते भाई.
किसी का तो है भाई diamond. Do you trust him is the
Okay.
question. You don't. And do you run it twice, Anish Nag?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh fuck.
Yes.
Oh, 3 of a kind behind showed.
Diamond आ जाए भाई.
No brother.
Full house.
Full house show,
He's not,
yours.
he's not running it twice also, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
GG's bye bye.
Bye, bro. See, that's why when I have like अगर flop पे 5 ज़्यादा है और side में ना बन जाए, I'll not run it twice because I don't want him to hit anything. You understand?
Yeah.
Like that. तो top 2.
बोल डाल दे भाई.
नहीं ये तो एपिक होने वाला है मतलब ये तो अभी यहाँ से जब ब्लाइंड बढ़ेगी तो फिर वहाँ से तो वो सीधा गैम्बलिंग ही है.
बीच स्टार्ट देना चाहिए था, मजा आता है साफ फेस ऑफ.
Correct. I can't even see who's raising me in all these situations, you know. I just see like a raise coming around like pawn 8.
I can put his photo if that helps you.
Yeah, do it. At least I'll see something.
फेस रीडिंग.
Put a very funny picture, so that at least when I'm raising, I feel easy. Okay. Let's see that.
Sorry.
कहाँ गए थे वो?
डिलीट कर दिया रे फोटो.
अपने आप डिलीट हो गया कंप्यूटर में वायरस दिख गया उसमें.
Bro, this B-Stats is a good player or he's an okay player?
No, he's a good player.
I should play with him as if he's a pro or as if he's a noob.
No, play as a noob.
As a noob?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh man, I
अब
was gonna
लोग
raise the
तो
shit out of
पास
him
में
right
of
now.
course.
I was gonna raise him so badly right now. I should still do it. I should play right poker. Come on, Mr. B-Stats.
Is he gonna go put it all in?
I mean, there's only one move now. It's either that or he has to fold.
Wow.
GG's.
Non-risky.
Oh, fucking you hit a 4 of a kind. And he had ace 3. So you know that it was a
Gutty,
noob.
gutty. Yeah, the he could have changed it actually, but that means he's a good player. He's not that bad.
No, B-Stats is recently learning poker. But he's a very lucky guy. Checks from B-Stats and Ankur with a chip lead. He does not bully. And Bocaro here with a, okay, 12,000.
It's not trap. It's not trap. Something that makes sense with the flop check. Some set. He flopped a set or what?
He's not showing also. Anyway, in 10 minutes we shall know the winner, guys, because the blinds are going to increase to a point where it's going to be impossible to keep folding. See, back in the day, I used to tell you that this is a better format, but the problem in that was that you would have the guest leave.
Yeah.
But it's more fun, like, I feel it's fun. Than
I
people
mean, yeah,
buying in
it is
again and again.
more, yeah, it is a little more intense and serious for sure.
Because then you just go all in like what used to happen, and that was not fun.
Yeah, fair enough. It needs to mean something. Okay, yes, I should bet. I'll show. He doesn't show, but I'll show.
Heads up battles, guys. 2,000. Will Uncle raise it up? And I think he's going to. And he goes, oh man, he starts all in, takes away his 2,000. Probably a pocket. Yes, 4s. With 4s, you put him all in. Man, he does 3 of a kind. Now he's going to tilt.
That's why pressure is important.
Again, you put him, but this time probably you have it.
Pressure.
Still, you're fucking around.
I just
But you had a straight, you hit a straight.
3x.
See now, bro, this is why it works. Because after you do it 2-3 times,
Now when you actually have it, then he'll call you, okay?
and then he'll call you, and he's like, okay, every time he can't have it.
No, but he's not falling for you. Oh, you had the rockets, pants, chod.
Oh.
But yeah, I can't call you with that. If you had like ace 10 also, he would have called you.
Go for it. Give him the option to jam it now.
You have, क्या? You have?
Oh, ace 3 2 1 4. अच्छा.
Oh, he has a
Oh,
straight.
what?
हाँ,
How did he
ace
check
2
that?
3 4.
Why is he checking that?
Maybe he thought you'll jam.
Crazy हो रहा है भाई एकदम intense.
Interesting.
भाई photo हटा उसका.
Photo हटा उसकी भाई, photo रहेंगे.
Chat ना.
Oh, he goes all in.
So,
He has
take it, so
ace
take
only,
it.
I think. Ace with something big.
The annoying part of this is that you know you have to then very patiently wait now.
Yeah, but in 7 minutes the blinds will be like fucking 2,000, 4,000.
Oh wow. 5 you would have had.
Then he has like
Lose 4 C.
5 big blinds.
Yeah, I'm calling almost every raise. I have a calling range, but I should check this.
कितने साल से आप खेल रहे हो भाई पोकर?
Oh man, about 20 years now.
Man, show. You have solvers and all.
Man, like for you were just talking about chess earlier, no? How back in the 1900s, 1800 or whatever, there was no solvers and chess was a beautiful game. I'm like that for poker. For me, poker is more fun with the live without all the solvers coming in. And there are still a lot of players that can play. Like look at Negreanu, man, he doesn't need a solver.
साहिल भाई म्यूजिक कब आ रहा है?
अरे भाई. आ रहे भाई.
Man, show aces and कितनी बार aces आएंगे आपको भाई?
Yeah, man. System trying to make me win. ये B-starts आ रही हैं.
सिस्टम उसको भी देना चाहिए ना कुछ.
That's also true. Only have to trap now. Oh, we have a bad beat. Fine, let's try the bad
Solver
beat.
क्या होता है पूछ रहे?
सॉल्वर होता है जैसे इंजन जो स्टॉक फिश होता है जिसमें वैसे पोकर में सॉल्वर होता है, बताता है एग्जैक्टली एक पोजीशन में क्या मूव बेस्ट मूव है, ऑब्जेक्टिवली मैथमेटिकली बेस्ट मूव क्या है वहाँ करने के लिए. तो लोग उससे फिर अट्टा कर लेते हैं कि भाई बहुत पोजीशन जैसे ओपनिंग थियरी होती है वैसे पोकर की थियरी होती है, जो कि आई थिंक वे मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बिकॉज 52 कार्ड्स. व्हाट्स बिगर ओपनिंग, व्हाट इज किसी गेम थियरी बढ़िया चेस की या पोकर की भाई?
Just give.
Oh man, I think poker would
Yeah,
be
I think
good
poker.
just because of the number of branches that it would have in every situation.
Just की infinite नहीं.
which has 2 to the power 60 दी जाती
Although
है.
poker also recently, so look by the way, chess got solved a long time back. Poker got solved only recently.
No, chess is not solved. Chess is not solved.
As in, well, not solved in the sense, but
Poker is more game theory.
yeah. Could it be the one?
Oh, Banchod. Oh, Banchod. Right twice. Oh, bhai,
He's a
you
one-time
win,
guy.
you win this.
No, no, man, I never. Another 9, another do.
No, this is you're winning, bhai. Come on. Let's go. GG's. The pro wins. Surprise.
All right.
The fucking guy who's playing since 20 years wins. What a surprise, guys. What a fucking surprise.
Oh man, finally beat Mr. Beastards faceless. Humanoid bot, whatever he is.
GG, bhai. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत too much fun, bhai. Do you play chess also these days?
Bro, I play 3 hours every day on my app. It's the most amount of time I spend. I can't get beyond 14, 20, 14, 30. It's irritating, but yeah.
You want to play a game?
Chalo, but I told you this long back. I only have one opening that I know how to play, which I played 20,000 games off or whatever. Maybe.
That's not good, bhai.
I know. But then you know you get comfortable in your situation. But yeah, let's play one. Chal, I've never played with you.
आ जाओ. Are you ready to be crushed?
Yeah. How do I do this?
Tell me your account. You chess com username.
I need to log in.
Bro, can you believe it? Like 6K people watching at fucking 3 in the morning poker.
That's amazing, man. I mean, they're watching obviously for you.
No, they're watching for the game, bro. If people watch for me, they watch me do other shit. But these guys really love poker, I think. Maybe we need a Sagar Shah of poker, you know, who knows it all. Like I think I'm like 1100 in poker right now, maybe.
I'll get into Sagar Shah mode like in just for the fun of the game, but yeah, we need like I need to get into authenticator.
We need a GM like who knows all solver shit and everything. It's also fun.
Yeah, you need a Aditya Intervention Agarwal.
क्या है आपका यूजरनेम क्या है?
I can play on my phone actually.
हाँ, फोन से खेल सकते हो आप.
Okay. So what is my username? How do I see it? A to the Dizay. Should I type it out here? A to it's long now. Should I type it?
A to the
Dizay, like
2 है कि TO है?
A to the Dizay. What the fuck does this mean, man?
bro, it's like old school rap.
दमशराज के.
A to the Dizay. आ जाओ लाइव चेस में आ जाओ. मतलब start a game and about it. Start a game and then do.
I just start any game and
Just start any game and then do what PokerStars did to our Sundays with PokerStars campaign.
Arey.
Under your guidance.
There come all the jokes. I was wondering where have you been all this while.
Let's go. 349 is your rating, bro.
What? Wait, I'm not playing whatever this shit format is. This is fucking, what is this?
Oh wait, I give you only 9 seconds or what?
Yeah, what? I was like,
Sorry,
no,
sorry.
9 seconds.
Wait,
Wait, you're playing 10 minutes, right? How do we play 10 minutes? What is this?
Okay.
Finally, rating is. I was like, where is my rating, bro? I'm not that bad.
You are playing E4. Are you comfortable against the Sicilian?
Bro, see, this is the problem. I don't know all your technical lingo in
आपको
chess.
क्या
like
चाहिए?
I do
मतलब मैं
poker.
E4 पे क्या you are most comfortable in? What opening you play?
No, you play your cocky chess. I will play my conservative chess, and then we will see where we get.
चलो. Yeah, this is conservative chess according to you. F4.
I mean, I don't know how good or bad I am. I think I suck. But after hearing Sagar talk about your blunders, I think I have to try and play my natural style. Just hoping that you fuck up somewhere.
You definitely suck, but what you suck is
I
my
do.
financial opportunities for poker.
Oh, bad.
Me too.
I hate playing this opening. You know, this is one opening I hate.
Oh. when is the time? See, this is what Sagar says. I think you already have put me in a weird situation because I've never played openings like this.
I hate this opening, so that's why I'm playing this weird shit.
Like, what the fuck, bro? Why are we in this situation? Is my question. And, okay.
क्या है भाई ये पहली बार देखा मैंने पोजीशन कभी
पाला क्या तूने?
अरे वो चेयर हिला
तो बार-बार कर रहा है कोशिश वैसा साउंड आने के बाद नहीं आ रहा। Just accept कि तूने पाला है।
अरे यार
You know what, uncle? Let me just try something weird with you.
अरे भाई मत
Just giving you a random sacrifice, playing a piece down against you.
if this is some one of those weird shit fucking openings that you were just showing earlier
No,
from
no, no.
1875 that some motherfucker pulled, it's gonna be sad.
I'm trying, but like,
Oh fuck, wait, this is getting scary. What can come out? The queen is not yet in the zone.
no, it's horrible chess I played. Just I want to experiment. It's fucking.
The problem is that either it's so brilliant that I don't know what the fuck is happening, or it's so horrible that I can't
It's a
decide.
bluff, भाई. It's a bluff.
Okay,
क्या
fine.
है भाई?
चल पर रहे क्या बोल रहे हैं इनके बारे में
लौड़े की गेम बोल रहे हैं लोग तो.
अबे साले
Oh, wait. That I can't do. See, I knew some annoying shit you were up to. Oh, if I do that, you do that. And then what? Yeah, okay.
मजेदार
You can try this.
Do you know about the opposite? Or you think you're the one who raises a complaint to Chesscom and just says, "Hey, Chesscom, what the fuck happened?" मुझे आता है मैच टंगा है मेरे में से. भाई ये क्या हुआ? Glitch है ऐप में. ये कैसे हुआ? उसने पूरा वीडियो बना के दिया.
So you know the problem is, I thought that I was doing this on C3 instead of fucking D3, and I would have had my knight on in my head on D3, which would have blocked your fucking queen's attack on F2. But now I have no fucking situation happening. Okay, fine.
वो bloody famous there
ये देखा. How the hell pawn got killed?
People asking opposite.
Yeah, he's like, how the hell pawn got killed? This is glitch. Please. मैं फिर उसको बताऊँ.
There is a rule in chess called en passant.
How the hell pawn got killed?
like your grammar 6-4-4
I hate my fucking position already. Like, why?
Why you hate? It's fine only.
Because I think something will happen and you'll start doing some shit.
Something was gonna happen, but let's see how strong that something is.
Okay.
crazy था
See, whenever someone tells me that they know only how to play one opening, that immediately makes me realize that they lack chess understanding. So then I just play random shit and get them out of the opening, so that in the end,
कुछ भी करके.
I know I'm gonna kill it.
Fair enough.
Nice move, but nice. तू पाला मेरे से.
अरे यार ये क्या कॉलेज उमर हाँ
कर देंगे
कर दे
कर देंगे फिर ये भी कर देंगे फिर इस पे ये कर देंगे रोमांटिक या फिर उससे अच्छा ये करें पहले
क्या suspense man, like which attack?
कर देते हैं भाई क्या ही हो जाएगा
हाँ.
कर दें फिर
वो सैक करना विशाल
ये करेंगे
हाँ
ये करेंगे हम ये करेंगे हम ये करेंगे
वो तो फिर
ये करेंगे हम ये करेंगे
वो तो खुल गया फिर पूरा
है ना?
खुल गया हाँ
दो पीस आगे देना है क्या तो भी ये फिर ये
नहीं पहले ही नाइट पॉन्टेक्स में
Oh man.
इस पे भी ये करेंगे तो गया तो खत्म
हाँ फिर तो
या मैं ये करके
हाँ भाई,
ये भी कर सकते हैं पर उसमें फिर ये है
हाँ फिर
वो सही नहीं फिर
नहीं क्या
कुछ नहीं उधर इतना सैग नहीं दे सकते हम अंकुल भाई को इतना तो आता है भाई
थोड़ा फार
करना है क्या ये
वो भी अच्छा है बट
अच्छा नहीं है वो पता है क्यों क्योंकि इसके बाद ये भी है कर दें क्या ये पता है प्रॉब्लम ये सॉरी इसके बाद ये देंगे ना तो ये भी है उधर कहीं लेकिन फिर हमारे पास ये है फक इट लेट्स डू इट भाई नहीं प्रॉब्लम था ये है इसके बाद ये है ना अगर तो ये नहीं है क्योंकि फिर ये है
करेक्ट मैं कह रहा हूँ पहला वाला सही था फिर जो पहला
इस पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि ये है फिर ये है तो ये
I'm
है
just
तो ये है
wondering with so many possibilities you've counted, bro. I can't think only like more than 3 I had.
देख अगर चुपचाप खेलना है ना तो फिर ये है लेकिन बड़ी सैड मूव खेलना है क्या फिर
वही है ना भाई
कुछ सेक्सी नहीं करना मन करता है
नहीं नहीं करना क्योंकि पता ना अपने कैलकुलेट
हाँ चलाए ना देखते ना अंकुल भाई को थोड़ी मिलेगा सब
Okay.
वो भी स्ट्रीम स्नाइपर लगता है
नहीं ये तो ठीक है तुमने देखा था ना ये है फिर हमने ये भी देखा था ना फिर ये है
Why are you attacking from after this, man? I'm not understanding. Why were you happy to sack something you would have spotted, right?
No, I saw it, but I was like, let's have some fun with Uncle Bhai. एक काम करते हैं ये करते हैं अभी के लिए
हाँ ठीक है
ये कर लेते हैं फिर हम जो भी करना कर लेंगे क्योंकि अभी तो इसका
हाँ
लौड़ा है
Okay, let's see.
इधर है तो फिर इधर आएंगे
भाई चलो मेरा ड्राइवर रुका है रे 2 घंटे से
नहीं मैं पुणे तो आना है मेरे को
Yeah, this is not bad.
इसके बाद गेम के बाद चलते हैं भाई
चलना है
रुका है, अरे गाड़ी रुका है बंदा।
मेरे को होटल करना है 2 रात के,
क्यों?
क्योंकि अभी रात को चेक इन करूँगा, फिर कल
अर्ली चेक इन कर लेंगे ना,
सुबह के 6 बजे मिलेगा। लेकिन
6 बजे नहीं पहुंचेंगे अपन, 7 बजे पहुंचेंगे, 7 बजे मिल
मिल
जाएगा।
जाएगा?
अरे कर लेंगे।
ये कहाँ ऑर्किड?
नहीं नहीं वेस्टर्न ना, कोरेगा पार्क
चलेगा,
कोपा मॉल में ना।
पूछना पड़ेगा कॉल करके देंगे क्या अर्ली चेक इन,
अरे दे देंगे
क्या करें फिर,
हाँ
है ना?
यस, उसके बाद अपन ने हाँ कहा है, उसका एस्केप ही नहीं है ना कहीं।
Oh man.
भाई लोग ना पहुंच जाए, बस अभी अपन ने वेस्टर्न बोल दिया तो
क्या नहीं, क्या ही कर
तो क्या मैरियट स्वीट कर लेंगे।
नहीं यार, तो लोग तो अच्छे हैं भाई।
मस्ती कर।
देख कुछ तो सेक्सी तो खेलने की कोशिश की मैंने इसमें।
Yeah.
ये तो ठीक है, ये भी है ना? ये ज़्यादा
वो
सिंपल
तो
लग रहा
एकदम
है।
सिंपल है हाँ, और वो अटैकिंग भी है ज़्यादा।
इसमें दिक्कत पता क्या है? नहीं एक्चुअली अब तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा कि देख इसमें सही ये है कि इसका एनुअल लौड़ा लग चुके हैं, तो ये इधर भी नहीं,
नहीं बट वो फिर कोई टच
इधर आएगा पता है वो।
वही,
और
वही।
इस पे ना ये इसका ये है बहुत
भाई
गांड फाट,
नाइट को
ये करेंगे ना तो इसका ये चूल्हा बड़ा इधर।
नाइट को पेलते भाई।
ऑल्सो बिली घोड़ा बैंक लौड़ा,
या
आई ऑल्सो बिली घोड़ा बैंक लौड़ा।
अरे यार सॉरी यार, वो चेहरे सारे तेरा।
Okay, bro.
अनडिफीटेड तेरा भाई।
तो देख अभी इक्वल हो गई लास्ट में, ये सब करके बॉक्स हो दिया।
It's true, man.
अब ये कर दे भाई, एंड गेम थोड़ी होगी इनके पास, एंड गेम थोड़ी आएगी।
अरे
See, now you get all technical on me.
1400 प्लेयर को आएगा एंड गेम खेलना, क्यों करो?
Man, sure.
यही बोल के इक्वल कर दिया।
तो इक्वल तो कर दी ना, इतना कुछ सैक मार के भी, वही तो हमारी ग्रेट।
Oh, really, man? From where to where you reached after all that shit?
भाई
कहाँ चालू किया था पहला वो sack?
काम करते हैं अभी, यहाँ आते हैं।
Yeah. Expected.
ये पापा है देखना, ये कुछ काम करेगा बाद में आगे। उनको म्यूट किया मैंने, अभी वो मारेंगे। 1400 प्लेयर तो मारता है मोस्टली, तो देखा 1400 मूवी है ना, अब अपने पास 3 पास लौड़ा नहीं जीता है वो, ठीक है ना?
एक मिनट आगे
यहाँ क्या ही हो जाएगा इससे,
हाँ, ठीक है।
कुछ नहीं, तो चल गया अभी तो सब अपना
अच्छा
डेंजरस।
स्ट्रक्चर बन गया।
अरे पापा भी बैठे हैं इधर।
पापा तेरा बोल मंगलवार को मैं खाओ आजा
हो
तेरा
जाए?
थ्रू हाँ
नाइट का जो ये स्कोर होता है ना, सेफेस्ट होता है, आँख बंद करके रख सकता है नाइट से वहाँ
हाँ चेक देगा तो भी कुछ नहीं होगा
पे।
वहाँ
चेक
पे।
वो अटैक करने को 3 मूव लगेंगे उसको यहाँ से, तो ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं, मतलब एनी टाइम
समझ
दिस इज द बेस्ट स्क्वायर टू कीप।
Okay.
ऐसा स्क्वायर बना ले और कुछ भी उसका या तो यहाँ पे या तो यहाँ पे,
हम्म।
ये सेफेस्ट स्क्वायर फॉर द नाइट। अच्छा चल अब यहाँ ये कर सकते हैं, तो ये मरेगा ना, ये करेंगे तो नहीं, ये करते हैं
हम्म। देख लेना है फिर अच्छा नहीं
कुछ नहीं। अब रुक A6 डालेंगे, नाइट ऑलमोस्ट ट्रैप ही है। किंग F8 डाल देंगे, गुस्सा नहीं किंग F8, बहुत सटल मूव।
देख तो पहले क्या
किंग F8 खेलते हैं।
मूवी नाइट
ये साहिल भाई बंगाली हैं क्या? नहीं भाई,
कुछ नहीं नथिंग कुछ
कुछ खा के जाए क्या? खाना बना हुआ घर पे
हाँ फिर तो खा ही सकता है तू
क्या? तू बाहर से मंगाता नहीं बना घर पे?
नहीं नहीं
ट्रिक क्वेश्चन था ये भाई, बहुत सही बिरयानी मिली इस टाइम पे। खैर,
इस टाइम पे
हाँ हाँ
सुबह
भाई
नहीं।
सुन मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, सैक मारना है क्या?
नहीं नहीं क्यों छोड़ना
अरे sack मारे कितना clean मजा आएगा।
C4 खेलना चुपचाप
अरे
अच्छा
C4
तीन पास
खेल
तू
के-
नहीं बोला था तो क्यों अपने को करना है वो
चल फिर।
वो सब वैसे यार तेरे फिर वो बनते
अरे
हैं।
C4 मार सकते हैं वहाँ पे, ये एंड गेम नहीं करना।
मार तो सकते हैं भाई बट क्यों रिस्क लेना जब अपने पास जरूरत
ये भी सही बात है।
ऑन द वे सुनना ऑन द वे लेते हैं ना
ऑन द वे मैकडॉनल्ड्स कभी गांड में फिर वो हो जाती है, बवासीर रहती है खा के। ये मंगाते चुपचाप बिरयानी।
चुपचाप बिरयानी मंगाते हैं उससे नहीं होता कुछ
नाइट गया ना उनका भाई, मेरे फ़ोन में स्विगी नहीं नया फ़ोन है,
वेल डन यार
तेरा फ़ोन
नहीं नहीं भाई
अबे
मैं
करना।
भी नहीं रखता ना स्विगी जोमेटो
मैं अभी डाउनलोड कर रहा हूँ बेंच।
अरे भाई मत खा यार अभी बाहर का अपन जाते हैं ना भाई वो मेरा ड्राइवर बेचारा रोका है
उसको भी खिलाना।
अरे खिलाने की बात नहीं है वो खा चुके हैं हम खाना खा क्या है
अच्छा तो उनको बोल के भाई अब
अरे
तो
उसको
ब्रेकफास्ट
भाई,
नहीं
उसको मैंने
उसको।
बोला, भाई
भाई
उसको
रुक जा।
बीवी बच्चे उसके रो रहे हैं घर पे
अरे रोक रहे भाई।
अरे मतलब किधर है मेरा बाप कार में
तो उनको बोल कि उनको अगर लेट हो रहा है वो चले जाएं।
अरे चले जाए क्या मेरी गाड़ी चले जाए क्या चले जाए
चल फिर
क्या
निकलते हैं, गेम के बाद निकलते
Chal, my time is up anyway. I think
हैं।
You got it in.
1400 प्लेयर,
fuck your +5 man.
Arrogance.
1400 प्लेयर आ गया टाइम पे बताओ, ये दिन बच गया।
Oh man. इतना ट्रैश टॉक पोकर में होना चाहिए था तो मजा आता।
चल चल के दिखा
Okay. It's gonna be
अंकुर
interesting.
भाई,
वाओ टाइम तो है वैसे
अरे कुछ नहीं होता टाइम से। मेरा नाम क्या है भाई? दूं क्या ये गांड फाड़ दूं क्या ये लेके?
वाओ
Okay, there.
व्हाट टैक्टिक वाओ
I think the next tactic is the
नाइट हो
problem.
गया यार।
अरे शिट यार गौतम चस गया
एरिक रोजन,
oops ah
oops bad reload।
GG man.
What's up जी भाई, मजा आ गया भाई।
Post down 450
Well, unless maybe I played
Fucking
brilliance.
actually,
I can't believe fucking all of that sacks and all worked. Yes, you
really
had a
man.
brilliance,
Like
you had a
after,
brilliance.
how many sacks, and after all that, frustratedly choked me in.
brilliance
You played a brilliance apparently, but I think
Really?
that was in poker I think.
No, fucking I can see it here, but yeah.
If you click on it, it takes you to poker का वो website.
Oh man.
H5 is the best move here. Why?
What?
Yeah, what I played H5 is the best move here.
Why?
मैंने कहीं तो पढ़ा था H5 खेलना होता है, but I never knew why. So today I think I found out. No, knight H6 was a complete blunder. I knew it, but apparently you have to just take this, and once you take it back, you have to go E3. And now this H5 always prevents G4. That's the idea.
But I should have also not taken with the queen, or I should have.
Where?
Yeah,
Once
this
I
one.
gave you. Yeah, that you should take. You are winning that.
No, but with queen only or with the pawn?
What?
Queen only, yeah. This no, the next one. Your bishop.
My
ठीक है,
bishop.
ठीक है, no, it's fine. Go on.
Which move you're talking about? No, I'm looking at it from the top. कि मैंने अपना H3 खेला, मैंने knight लाया blunder, takes knight
Yeah.
G4. I just kept that knight long term because I
Yeah.
want to have issues. I want to give you issues. You brought knight H5. I played C4, good move. You played C3, not good move. Queen B6, threatening checkmate on F2. You defended it with the pawn, although you missed the en passant, which was the best move. So you
No,
had-
oh fuck yeah, that almost I had to do.
yeah. So then you came back. You came with the queen to F3. At which point I played E6 and I missed something apparently, but I didn't miss anything. The bar doesn't move on both moves. Fucking.
That's what my queen was a bad move. I knew that the queen there was something was off.
Bishop C5 I played, good move. Knight H3 was a decent move. Inaccuracy, though I consider good move only. D4 again good move. Your B4, and now is the question that what I did was correct or wrong. It was a blunder. Bishop takes B4. The
Why
best
they-
move here
why
is Bishop
they-
is. And हमको पता है Bishop E7 best है.
But फिर वो boring
But फिर वो
होने
बकचोदी
के
कैसे करनी थी? Slowly grind करो.
handicap के
But can you believe it? Already this position is equal, even though I have given an exchange because
Yeah, man. So early in the game you sacked and even then it's still equal. I'm
because
surprised at that.
positional chess na, so you don't have a light square bishop.
Yeah.
So my knight on this G4 will always stay there.
And I remember Sagar in one of these recent streams saying that knight in the center is super strong, so that's like a winning move already.
It's an outpost now. You cannot kick my knight away.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
I did that later though. No? I tried to get my knight back in so I could try and get your knight out of that. But then by then your attack was already too strong, so I had to get him out.
Yeah.
See, I think one of the next moves I put my knight out.
You brought your knight to F2, at which I went queen B2 because
Yeah.
now danger levels. You're threatening
That's the
to
problem.
exchange, but I'm threatening something even bigger. So
Yeah.
then, what you played knight A3 was a brilliant move, although it was the easiest move to play in that one, to be honest. Just moving your knight away. How is that a brilliant
But
move, man?
that is why is that brilliant? Yeah.
Because you have so
guess
many
it's-
other options there, right? Because you have like knight takes G4.
But I'm just saving points.
You
there,
have
so
knight takes
nobody does that.
D3. You actually have knight takes D3 with the idea queen. I take queen A1, you can come bishops. No, you can't come bishop C3. My pawn takes you.
Yeah, it still loses.
Then you
But
come
is that the best move? Which is the
Oh,
best?
then you come knight C3 and I lose your
Oh,
queen. My
and
queen.
you'll-
Man, show.
you lock it in. Fuck, I didn't see that at all, man.
So knight D3, queen takes, knight C3.
Yeah.
But I think this is better for you, भाई. मेरे पास दो रुक से पर position closed है. Your knights are gonna fucking kill me. But what you play
Yeah.
was even better apparently. Knight A3. But you lose the knight.
But I had no cigar after that, I guess. Just
Yeah.
I couldn't see why was it the best. I just knew it was the only saving grace to save points.
फिर यहाँ पे ना, I'll tell you what mistake you made. According to me, move number 24, you took rook takes B6.
So I was thinking if I don't take your rook right now, what happens is that if I keep that rook there and I want to make another move somewhere, and I think your knight was then probably attacking my rook or it could come in to threaten something
So
else.
you just now it's about the open files. Whoever gains control on the B file, they are
Yeah.
better. So you just come rook B4 and hope that that I take it, but I won't take it.
That's what I knew you didn't want to exchange at that point. But
And
then
the problem
I
I
was
want you to take so that my pawn structure becomes good, which happened eventually.
and this was the point where I lost the game because the moment I do
I mean,
this,
the
and your
bar
three
tells you
pawns
it's
are in a row.
equal, but I think practically this is the point you lose the
Yeah.
game because you have
Even I
three
think the same.
passes.
Yeah, yeah.
So instead
Once you have your pawns lined up, it's over. Yeah.
Yeah. Instead, either you also bring the open file, like you take the rook to C1 otherwise. Okay, so you get the other rook on C1. So now you have a semi-open file. I'm going to double up with rook B8, and then you still try to double up.
My thought was that should I try to double up first and take my rook ahead like you have, line it up for the double, and then do it, or just go for it and try to get in with the knight. But
Yeah, I think
your
if
pawns
you try to double,
actually-
I would just push you once more, and then you'd go back. Maybe. No, this you can't go. You get a 4.
or go to the third rank, no, and just wait for you to take and then buy an exchange, so that at least the pawns can be broken outside.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, this would have been better. This pawn would have stopped both these pawns. But what you did was the worst move, I think. There, you took it.
Yeah, this move was a.
And यहाँ
move
से
that
तो
was-
positionally I have a big edge.
Yeah.
So this knight A5 was also very bad. Anyway, your knight was trapped there. I was going to come king F8 anyway. And
That's what.
trap
After that one move, I knew after that going. Actually, I shouldn't have gone ahead. I should have come back. I should have retrieved. My
No,
knight was just stuck.
your knight can't go anywhere. You can't retrieve. Apparently, the best way to proceed is A3, A4. You break my pawn structure somehow, and it's not possible to play those moves.
It's tough. Yeah,
A3. I'm going to come rook A6, probably attacking your knight. Your knight has nowhere to go. You go knight A5. I go this. You take.
And then that's why I put it on that other one now, on the A
deep
square,
idea.
because then at least it's got a. Yeah, but it's not saving.
Yeah.
or maybe.
Then eventually you lost the knight also.
Yeah.
No, आपको वहाँ पे A3 खेलना था उस move पे, move number 28 पे, and the idea was that now when I attack your knight because I want to take it, now you can go knight A5. Earlier problem was if here let's say you play something and I go knight rook A3, now if you come knight A5, no, now I just close
Just
it up.
push pawn also, no, and
मैं
it's
तो
over.
इसको लेने को भी ready था, मैं तो rook takes
Really?
बनवा के
Why?
ready था. Because I think again practically these 3 pawns will when you'll have to give your bishop against to my pawn.
I would give it. Yeah, I would give it. The moment 3, I mean 2 is tough by itself. 3 to definitely I would have to sign.
And at one point I'm sure you would have fallen into some Goda Venkada knight.
Yeah, man, I fucking hate. You know, people say fucking bishops are better. I hate Goda.
Like
can
Goda
do
in close
anything.
position are fucking assholes.
Yeah, especially in these kind of locked-in situations, man. Fucking Goda.
Yeah, something the Goda would have done and fucked you. Very
Yeah. It would have fucked the rook for sure somewhere. I'm 100%
yeah, for
sure.
sure. Now you'd be scared here, you'd take it and it would fuck your
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
You would have to find very difficult moves like bishop b6.
Yeah, but then you take it with a check and you fork this thing, and then I have to try and take the pawn out, and then hope one of my passes can get through without you breaking. Tricky, very tricky.
Chalo bhai, GG's.
This is GG, bro.
You can't have supremacy on all sports, I guess. Bye.
Yes, Supreme Leader.
Take care,
We
bye.
need to have one. See you, see
Next
you.
time
Bye,
we'll
Sahil. See you,
beat you.
man.
Take care. Bye, bye,
Done,
bye.
done.
Bye bye. See you.
See you,
Bye,
see
bye,
you.
chat. See you. Take care.
ये
Bye.
क्या भेजा? लोग नहीं और ड्राइवर ने